okay? I'm Teacher Mel, and I am here to teach you the shapes. Let's go! The first shape is circle. The circle. Repeat with me. Circle. Well done. The next is triangle. Triangle. Your turn. Triangle. Repeat. Good job. And square. Square. Repeat with me. Square. Very nice. And today we are going to learn how to do stamps with the shapes. To do it, we are going to need this toilet paper too. Okay? We are going to use 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So take it some of this. 1, you don't need to do anything. It's a circle. Okay? The other one, you are going to squish like this and mark the 2 sides. And then we are going to squish again and mark the 2 other sides. Very tight. And look at this. We have a square. So we have a circle and we have a square. Very good. And to do the triangle like this, you are going to squish with your hand like this. Very tight. And with your thumbs, you're going to squish it like this. Okay, very tight. And look at this. We have a triangle. How is yours? Very good. So, let's do our steps, okay? Okay, let's start our steps. Here is the 3 toilet paper tubes in the shapes circle, square, triangle. A pen. This is my favorite color, okay? But you can use any pen you have at your home. A plate, a plastic plate, or anything to put the pen, and a paper. The first step, you put some paint on the plate. Very good. Then we are going to make some circle stamps. Put the stamp on the pen. Put the stamp on the pen like this, and wow! 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now it's the turn of the squares. That was fun, right? So these are my shapes. I did 3 circles, 3 squares, and 4 triangles. But you can do any number that you want. Okay? So do it with your favorite color. What's your favorite color? Wow, that's beautiful. Do it with your favorite color and send it to me. I miss you so much. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye!